Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys this easy, lightweight, super glowy look I've been doing a lot lately. So we're going to start off with the MAC Strobe Cream. Okay, so I'm just placing that where you would naturally put highlight. I love using the strobe cream under some drying foundations because it just gives it a little more glow and a little more life. I'm using the Fit Me Poreless and the 24-Hour Stay by Maybelline. And like I said, I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend this out. And also the beauty blender shears this out a little bit. I don't want it to be super full coverage. And it just also gives it a little bit more of a glow. Okay, so I just did a light coat over my entire face, and now I'm just going back in and doing some spot concealing. Like I said, I want to keep this sort of lightweight and, you know, springtime and fun and not so heavy. Okay, now that I got my life together, Makeup Revolution concealer. Just using this in the areas I usually do to conceal, well, more highlight. I love this concealer. It's super lightweight, it's easy to blend, and it's super cheap, which is always a good thing. Okay, just the tiniest bit of Laura Mercier to set that.
Oh my God!
I'm telling you, that was almost a disaster. Anyway, now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild bronzer. Now, I'm going to use this to contour my face. Bronzers usually have a lot of shimmer in them, so make sure to be mindful of that. I just love that it gives like this sun-kissed, super shimmery, glowy face. And you can see the difference in regards to how big my forehead looks before and after. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just contour everything. Okay, for my brows, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil. I absolutely adore this pencil, and the mug was like $3. So I've been using this a lot. I believe this is in the color dark brown. Yeah, love this brow pencil. I totally recommend it for you guys. So I am doing a more of a natural brow. Well, natural for me. You guys know how I am with brows. You know, take it or leave it. My brow's always gonna be thick. So anyway, yeah, this is more of a natural brow for me because this look is more natural. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Master Prime. I'm actually using this just as an eyelid color. It gives the prettiest of shimmers on your eyelid. It is a primer, but you know what? You can do whatever the hell you want with it. And I decided to do this with it, and I love it. So, yeah. Okay, I'm not trying to be bougie or anything, but I'm going to go in with this Lord & Berry black eyeliner pencil. It's the only pencil I had upstairs. And you know I wasn't about to go back down to get another one. So I'm just going to do the tiniest of lines on my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with the brush and sort of diffuse or blend that out. The reason I'm doing a line at all anyway is because y'all know I wear false lashes. I don't leave the house without them. And with this look, it just helps hide the lash band. Okay, just a thin coat of Maybelline's Colossal. It's my favorite mascara. And I'm going to go in with these Kiss Wispy lashes. I just love how natural they look. They're super lightweight, super easy to use, and comfortable. Okay, back in with that Revolution concealer under my eyes. I'm just using that highlight, and I'm going to blend that out with this beauty blender. And you can see how pretty that looks. It's not super heavy. It just gives a nice, pretty glow. Back with the Laura Mercier setting powder, just the tiniest bit to set that. Now I'm going to go in with Anastasia Ambrisi highlighter. And I love this highlight. You can never use enough of it. It just makes your skin look like it's wet and dewy. Oh God, I just love this highlighter. I really do. Okay, I'm going back in with that Wet n Wild bronzer, and I'm just going to use that as I usually do to contour my face. So I've been obsessed with this palette by Huda Beauty. These oranges are just beautiful, and as you can see, I'm using it as a blush. I just feel like it's just so pretty, and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so I'm just highlighting the inner corner of my eyes with that Amrezy highlighter again. I am going to also use that on my Cupid's bow after I use this lip color by Cailyn. It's sort of a peachy shade. I just really love that it gives my lips just a little bit of color, and that will be it for the face. Okay, everybody, so here is the finished look. I love that it only takes like maybe 10 minutes. It's super glowy, super shiny, and I feel like it's just an amazing face to do for springtime. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure to head over to my Instagram at MakeupMenaree for a lot of daily posts, a lot of funny throwbacks. This one of my husband and I. Yeah, just a lot more personal stuff on here. Make sure to head on over and check me out at MakeupMenaree on Instagram.